Imagine a world where you don't have to kill to eat. Sounds unreal, right? Welcome to the paradox that is the food chain, a sequence of who eats whom, a cascading chain of life and death, survival and extinction. Humans, we've long considered ourselves at the pinnacle of this chain. We hunt, we gather, we farm, we consume. In this complex web of life, the stark reality is that to sustain our own lives, we often have to take another. It's a paradox that's as old as life itself. True, it's the law of nature, the cycle of life. The strong survive, the weak become food. It's a survival game that has been played out in the wild since the dawn of time. Yet, as we stand at the apex of this chain, we must confront a challenging question. But it begs the question, does it have to be this way? What if we told you there's another way, a less cruel alternative? Imagine a world where the need to kill for sustenance no longer exists. Sounds utopian, doesn't it? Yet it might be closer to reality than you think. Our dietary habits, deeply ingrained as they may be, are ripe for a revolution. Consider the moral implications of our carnivorous tendencies. We're living in a modern world, a world where alternatives to traditional meat exist. Plant-based diets are gaining popularity, and for good reason. They offer a sustainable, cruelty-free source of nutrition. Then there's lab-grown meat, a cutting-edge solution that could eliminate the need for animal farming entirely. And let's not forget about insect protein, a highly sustainable, nutrient-rich option that's already a staple in many cultures around the world. These alternatives challenge the necessity of killing for food, presenting a less cruel path forward. Yet is it realistic to expect everyone to adopt these alternatives? The power to change the world lies in our hands, or should we say our plates. Every meal we consume has a ripple effect on the world around us. The choices we make at the dinner table can influence the health of our planet, the welfare of animals, and even our own well-being. Consider this. Opting for plant-based meals can reduce the carbon footprint of our food. Choosing to consume less meat can help alleviate the suffering of animals in factory farming. Exploring alternative food sources like lab-grown meats or protein-rich insects can offer a sustainable solution to feed the growing global population. These are not drastic changes, but small conscious decisions that can make a significant difference. The power of change is not in grand gestures, but in everyday choices we make. So next time you sit down to eat, remember, you have the power to change the food chain. It starts with a single bite.